Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn sentences simple, complex, and compound. Yesterday we have seen what is the structure of simple, complex, and compound sentence and how to identify simple, complex, and compound sentence. Okay. Now, how to transfer the sentence of compound to complex or compound to simple to complex or complex to simple. Okay, now see first transformation of sentence, changing the form of a sentence without changing its meaning. Transformation means while changing, when we are going to change the sentence into other type of sentence, that time we don't forget we have to transfer this sentence without changing its meaning. Okay, it is very important. Transformation comes to our aid when economy of word is needed. Means economy means less word we have to use while transfer the sentence. Means economy of words we can use there. Further, sentence of varying length and different structure add to the force beauty of the composition. Means we can use the economy of words and add the force and beauty of the composition if the sentence is varying length. Okay, means maybe sentence is very long, then also we can use the economy of word, use the conjunctions and means add to the beauty of the composition of the sentence. Okay, now first type of sentence means first transformation of compound sentence into simple sentence. Means how to transfer a compound sentence into simple sentence. See, we can convert compound sentence into simple sentence using the following methods. Okay, means by substituting a preposition etc. for the clause. Means we can substitute a preposition. Okay, means while changing compound into simple, we can use the preposition there to use in place of something else with the same function. Okay, means that sentence without changing meaning we want to write the sentence. Now see sentence, how means using preposition and use the sentence. He is not only a coward but he is also a fool. Means it is a compound sentence. Okay, it is a compound sentence and that we are going to learn with the help of preposition we want to change into simple sentence. Beside being a coward, he is also a fool. Means beside is the preposition and is means be's form used there being. Okay, beside being a coward, he is also a fool. Okay, means like this way we can write the simple sentence. Then next, by substituting a participle for a finite verb. Means substitute a participle, we can use their participle also. Okay, for a, if there is a finite verb in this sentence, we can substitute this in a past or present participle. Now see sentence, compound sentence. The train drew into the station and the passenger got down. Now this sentence change in the simple sentence. See, the train having drawn. The train having drawn means this is, it is a participle. Okay, it's a participle of drew. Okay, participle of drew means drawn is the past participle. Okay, having drawn, this train having drawn into the station, the passenger got down. We are remove the conjunction there. Don't forget to remove the conjunction. Otherwise it is not a simple sentence. Okay, we can give there comma. Then by substituting an infinitive for the main verb and gerund for the auxiliary. Means the infinitive could be different words. Infinitive could be the different word. By substituting an infinitive for the main verb. Means if there is a main verb in the sentence, that substitute into the infinitive. Okay, and maybe gerund. gerund for the auxiliary. Now see, he must confess his crime or he will be jailed. Then how it is transferred into means simple sentence. He must confess his crime to escape being jailed. To escape means will be. Okay. Means to escape being jailed. Okay. Means without changing meaning, the sentence change into simple sentence using infinitive and gerund. Means to escape is the infinitive and to being is the gerund. Like this way we can means substitute by substituting preposition, by substituting participle and by substituting infinitive and gerund we can change compound into simple sentence. Means you have to keep in mind, maybe this sentence is different, we can use different preposition but without changing meaning. Okay, don't change the meaning of the sentence. Then next, transformation of complex sentence into simple sentence. Means how to complex into simple. Complex sentence can be transferred into simple sentence by changing subordinate clause into word or phrase. Okay, means subordinate clause we can change into word or into phrase. Now see first, changing subordinate clause into noun clause. Okay, means subordinate clause transfer into noun clause. Now see, this prove that he was innocent. Means that he was innocent. It is a subordinate clause in this sentence, and that we can substitute into noun clause. These prove his innocence. These prove, okay, his innocence. Means that subordinate clause transfer into his innocence is a noun clause. His innocence. Okay. Changing subordinate adverb clause. Means subordinate clause change into adverb clause. Tell me when and where your grandfather died. When and where. Means that sentence, instead of that we have to use adverb clause. Tell me the time means when, and where means place. Tell me the time and place of your grandmother's death. Okay, of your grandmother's day. Means meaning is not going to change with the help of adverb clause there. Then next, changing subordinate relative clause means adjective clause. We can use there subordinate clause into adjective clause. People who live in a glass house must not throw stones. People, see, living in glass houses must not throw stone. Means who lives in a glass house. It is a relative clause, and that transfer means changing subordinate clause only in the verb form. Means people living in a glass house must not throw stone. Okay, simply change that. Then transformation of compound sentence into complex sentence. Means in a compound sentence, the second of the two coordinate clauses usually completes the sense. Means two coordinate clauses usually complete the sense. Hence, while transformation a compound sentence into complex, the second clause must be made the principal. Means second clause it is a principal clause, and the first clause it is a dependent clause, because we are going to change compound into complex. Then we can use some means subordinate conjunction. Okay, by using if we can use if. Study your lessons every day and you will surely score good marks. Means you study your lessons every day, you will surely score good marks. Means if you study your lessons every day, you will surely score good marks. Means it is using if. Transfer into compound into complex. It is very easy. By using unless, speak the truth or I will keep you under arrest. Means unless you speak the truth, I will keep you under arrest. Okay, means unless use there or remove there and simply change this into complex sentence. Then by using although, though, even though, means we can use although, though or even though while changing compound into complex. He was a poor man, but he was always honest. He was always honest although he was poor. Okay, always honest. Means which, although, though or even though, which is suitable there, that we can use there. Okay, like this way transformation of compound into complex sentence. And now last, transformation of complex sentence into compound sentence. While transforming complex sentence into compound, the principal clause plays last and the subordinate clause which become the coordinate clause. Means subordinate clause it become the coordinate there. Okay, because here it is compound sentence, we can't make their compound, means those both are the independent clauses, and that's why that subordinate clause change into the principal clause. Okay, then which conjunction we are use? Everyone know that fanboy. That fanboy we can use for the transformation of complex into compound, which are suitable. I am sure that you are doing your best. Means see how it changed. You are doing your best and I am sure of it. You are doing your best and I am sure about it. Means that means sentence change into the principal clause. Okay, means that subordinate clause here it become the principal clause. Means you are doing your best, and then means that main clause means first that principal clause. It also we can write the last. By using but, though I saw her, I did not speak to her. Means I saw her but did not speak to her. Okay, means that I saw her it is a subordinate clause, that it become the principal clause here, and did not speak to her it become the, means it is a main clause in this sentence, it become the, means that means it is independent clause there. Then using or, he would gladly give me money if he had any. Means he had no money or he would gladly give me. Okay, means if remove there and then means he had any, means that is a subordinate clause, change into principal clause here. Means he had no money, he had any means he had no money, or he would gladly give me. Okay, it remains same. Like this way, these are the transformation of sentences. Okay, you have to means read the text and read this again, transformation of compound, what means which rules we have to follow. Everyone read this rule again and solve the exercise in your textbook. Okay, also direct and indirect speech exercise you have to solve in your textbook. Okay, thank you.